Hi there again. Today I have just quick tip for Blender users, how to make 90-degree bended meshes. Yesterday I was modeling some props and modular pieces for some other game, and when it comes to the corner ones, I realized that I often see how people struggle with bending mesh to the corner. Actually, it's pretty easy. At first, let's look at some bad examples I saw all over the internet. First example, rotating and scaling edge. Second one, shearing. Third one, edge looping. Actually, this one is quite nice if you have just a simple cuboid. So we have this nice wall and we want to bend it in this direction. Yeah. So just simply add an empty object, plane axis for example. Select the wall and add the mirror modifier. And in this mirror object, just click on the eyedropper, select the empty, and now select the right axis, in my case is Y, and also click on the Y bisect. Then click again to the plane axis and rotate it where you want to have. And you have to rotate it in a half of degree you want to achieve. In my case, I want to 90, so it's 90 half 245. Yeah, and I have now my corner mesh. I can apply modifier, delete plane axis, and now in edit mode I can see I have my corner piece. And of course you can do the same thing with more complicated meshes, like for example this rail, or for example this wall. And that was all, folks. Subscribe, like, comment, whatever you want. Bye.